Hello, this is Chuck and Terry to give an update on our backyard mountain bike trail.
In the past, this area has been extremely wet, up to 6 inches of water. So we added drainage, but we're not quite sure it's going to be enough. So we decided to build a cool feature to get us up above the water.
200 feet skinny, 200 foot long. So we constructed this using landscape timbers as our rails and propping it up. Landscape timbers are extremely versatile and so inexpensive. A 2x4 treated costs about $6 for an 8-footer, and these are less than $2.50. We have used a ton of them in here, probably about 50. All the different rails here. Now we used a old picnic table right here. We had to use that wood up. But the rest of this is treated 2x6s. And then about halfway down here, we switched out to 2x12s. And you don't need any rails under the 2x12s. They're really firm. Again, using landscape timbers to prop it up. And down here, we got a ramp. If you want to exit before the ramp, or the teeter-totter. Or for riding the trail backwards, you can use it to come up the skinny. And then the reason this was painted, this is actually an old pet teeter-totter that our dog is just too lazy to use, so we have repurposed it for mountain biking. It's adjustable. You just change the chain length with some hooks, and you can increase it or decrease the height. So we're going to take some practice runs here and see if we can master it.
Yeah, with a teeter-totter to boot.
Oh, don't fall up now. Come on, I was 8 feet from the end. Oh, shit.
God, this is so frustrating.
I saw that coming. Foot fell off the pedal. I got it.